If you like coconut, you are going to love these sweet, moist, fluffy vegan coconut cupcakes. They get all of their flavor from real coconut, coconut oil, coconut milk, and shredded coconut on top. These cupcakes are super delicious and they are so light and fluffy. Let's do it! Start by mixing your dry ingredients in a large bowl. That's flour, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then set that aside and in a smaller bowl, cream together coconut oil with some sugar. Add some coconut milk along with apple cider vinegar and vanilla extract and mix that together. Then add your wet ingredients to the dry and mix until you have a thick batter. I like to use an ice cream scoop to scoop my batter into my muffin tins, but you can use a spoon too. While the muffins bake and cool, you have plenty of time to whip up your coconut cream cheese frosting. In a large bowl, cream together non-dairy cream cheese with vegan butter. Then add confectioner's sugar and a pinch of salt and start mixing on low. Your mixture is going to start to get clumpy and feel like it's too dry, and that's when you bump the speed of your mixer up to high and just keep on whipping. The frosting will whip up and be light and fluffy. Then add shredded coconut to the frosting and beat again just to incorporate it. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, top them with the frosting. You do want to make sure these are completely cooled before you frost them because warm cupcakes will melt your frosting. Then boost the coconuttiness with a sprinkle of shredded coconut on top. Once they're frosted, they are ready to devour. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these vegan coconut cupcakes. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!